Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. Before we start the class, write today's date. Today is 18/5/22. On the top, write worksheet. Okay. And our today's question for the worksheet is write. Leave the first line, children. Start from the second line. Question number 1. Write the correct sound. Sound. Write the correct sound of the given animals. Animals. So, few animals name is given here and you have to tell the sound of the animal. Okay. And here we go. Number 1 is a cow. And what is the sound of a cow? A cow, we call it moose. Moos. Moose. Repeat after me, children. A cow, moose. A cow, moose. Second one is a horse. 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 A horse. Answer is neigh. Check out the spelling. Neigh. Neigh. A horse. Neigh. Once more. A horse. Neigh. Third one is a donkey. Donkey. A donkey brays. What is the sound of donkey? Brays. Brays. Can we repeat all of them once, children? A cow moves. Once again. A cow moves. A horse neigh. A horse neigh. A donkey brays. A donkey brays. Next one is number 4. A snake. Snake. A snake. What we call it? Hisses. 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 A snake hisses. What will be number 5? A lion. A lion. And you know the sound of a lion, right? A lion roars. 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 A lion roars. And we go for number 6. Sixth one is a mouse. Mouse. A mouse. What is the sound of a mouse, children? We call it as squeaks. 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 Number 7. A crow. Crow. A crow. Cows. Cows. A crow. Cows. A lion roars. A mouse squeaks. A crow. Cows. Okay. Once again, now we come to Number 8. And the eighth one is sheep. 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 What is the sound of a sheep called, children? A sheep bleats. 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 A sheep bleats. Come on, repeat after me, everyone. Write the correct sound of the given animals. The first one is a cow moves. Check out the spelling. MOOS. Moves. MOOS. Moves. A horse neigh. NEIGHS. Neigh. Repeat after me. NEIGHS. Neigh. A horse neigh. A donkey brays. 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 A snake hisses. 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 A snake hisses. 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 A lion roars. A lion roars. 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 A mouse squeaks. A mouse squeaks. 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 A crow cows. CAWS. Cows. A crow cows. CAWS. Cows. And the eighth one, that is the last one for today. A sheep bleats. A sheep bleats. 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 So we are going to continue this tomorrow, children. This much for today. Thank you.